go! There we go again. Happy days. Well, okay, so here we are again, and welcome to another edition of Rupert's Weekly Property Show. Today from Condado De Alhama Golf Resort, from the MIRADOR development, which is one of the new build developments on Condado. Sure, you guys know already what I'm talking about. So today I'm showing you a two-bathroom apartment here, first line golf and also first line lake. We are on the MIRADOR development here. It's full apartments in apartment blocks with 16 units, 4 units on each floor, and we are on Condado De Alhama Golf Resort. I'm showcasing you today our reference 3785 on our dedicated webpage qualityhomescostacalida.com, and I'm just making a quick turn here around to give an idea of how this looks like standing on this beautiful terrace. It's a corner apartment, so this means we have no neighbor to our left. We have first line golf overlooking the famous Jack Nicklaus signature course. And talking about the signature course, we had today a very interesting meeting with the developers and those people who are invested into the golf course. And I have to say there are great things coming up for Condado De Alhama. We have seen today the architect impression for the clubhouse, and this is really stunning. All what we saw today is really top-notch, and I think it will bring Condado back to where it should have been, where it never was. Means a great golf resort with a great golf course, with great golf and sport facilities. We will see, when everything goes to plan, we will see more and different sport activities on site. Also, there are many things in the pipeline now, and what we've seen today was really interesting. And I have to say, personally, I'm here on site for 14 years now. I'm doing the trip to Condado every day, means 150 kilometers road work every day. And after 14 years now, I have to say, my personal investment seems to pay off. We will get a fantastic resort here with nearly all facilities, even more as promised by the original developer Polaris. So it's really looking fantastic at the moment. These people have loads of ideas, and they also seem to have the financial backup, as they have purchased already the golf course. And there are more things in the pipeline. I just can't say a lot, but I have to say I'm really gobsmacked what I saw today, and thanks very much to those people who are really putting lots of effort in, and not only effort, also lots of thoughts, ideas. It's fantastic. But coming back to what I'm doing here today, which is Rupert's Property Show here from the MIRADOR apartment. I'm on the first floor, and I'm showing you today a two-bathroom apartment, which has been handed over about 18 months ago. Has hardly ever been used. As you can see, it's all brand new. It's all nearly without any sign of use, as it has been maybe somebody maybe stayed in here for some days or weeks, but nothing else. It really looks fantastic. All what we see comes included, except obviously, as always, blah blah, Rupert, haha, the listing agent Anna, who is not included. But apart from that, we do get a decent two-bathroom apartment. As I said, reference 3785 on qualityhomescostacalida.com, or as well on murciadreams.com. And it's a two-bathroom apartment with equipped kitchen. We have some basic furnishing in here, which is nice. But just let me show you the kitchen, which is great. It has much more space than what we are used to here on Condado. It's just fantastic. Let me show you now the bedrooms and the bathrooms. Rupert, stop waffling. Come on, do something. Okay, this is the master bedroom now. The master bedroom, as we can see, has also direct access to the main terrace in front of us. The terrace has an orientation of southwest, so there is sun as of midday, afternoon, evening, nearly all day long. We do see here the fitted wardrobes, which are as well slightly different to what we know so far from the buildings on Condado. As you can see, it's all inside lined. Just let me show you the other side. Maybe there is, there we go. So it's really a different ballgame than what we have seen so far here on Condado. Sorry, the camera is moving around a little bit erratically. There we go. It's equipped, and we have already an ensuite bathroom here. which as well has a mirror. Hello, hello. As well as a mirror, but as well has natural light in here because there's a frosted glass window to the bedroom side. So it's with natural light, has a decent sized walk-in shower, as we can see here. And well, equipped with all what we need, ready to rumble. No, Rupert, go away. This was the master bedroom with the ensuite bathroom. Then there is a second bedroom. Handy, you know, it's a two-bedroom, two-bathroom property, so that's the second bedroom. Again, with fitted wardrobes, again furnished, well, basically furnished to say, so it's not a big deal, but it's something to start with. The mattresses are pretty decent, I have been told. So apart from that, we have a second bathroom. So that's something totally new for Condado, properties with two bathrooms. And this is really properly done because it's not connected to the second bedroom. So it can also be used as a bathroom for guests, for people passing by, for more people you invite for dinner. So they also get their own bathroom as well with walk-in shower and all that. So pretty modern. The termination of work is really good. I haven't found really a big deal of faults in here. So it's really a nice setup. As I said, reference 3785 on our dedicated webpage. The price is only 149,000 euros. Offers will be obviously passed on to the seller. But we think that price-wise for a corner unit, the new builds corner units are around the same value, but they don't come with air conditioning and they don't come with all the furnishing. So I still think that this is quite a good offer, and the big advantage as well is it's already built, finished, handed over with all legal paperwork done. Community fee-wise, we are talking about 120 euros per month, including all services provided by the community of owners, means cleaning, means security, means all that, and as well included internet connection. So also these properties enjoy internet connection, individual internet connection with 100 megabit download and upload included in the community fees. We have a glass fiber network running here in all the resort. So apart from the internet connection, you will also get access to over 200 international and national TV channels. Being British, being Dutch, being German, being you name it, we have it. Nearly all European countries are represented. Unfortunately, not for Austria, so my home country is not included because this is a pay TV thingy and they don't have any signal free to air. So, but otherwise, we got really a lot of TV channels in here. Okay, having said that, the view is just breathtaking. No, it's 4 o'clock now. We have the golf course over there. The golf course is not as green as expected, but this is mainly to do with the fact that the winter grass now is going slowly away, and the spring grass still needs some weeks to start to blossom. So this is normal for our course, but we hear as well that the new owners of the golf course are now doing everything to introduce a fourth seat to exactly avoid these problems. Amongst many other things, they will invest here. They will also improve the golf course and bring it to the glory what the Jack Nicklaus signature course should have. So we're really looking forward to that. Coming back to this one, 3785 is the reference on our dedicated webpage, qualityhomescostacalida.com. And have I forgotten anything to mention? I mean, well, yes, I did. So, okay, we start with the electric blinds. Electric blinds here in the living room and in the master bedroom means that these blinds are coming down. Well, we all know how electric blinds work. That's what it is. Great. That's only one of the mod cons. Obviously, we have here, in comparison to the old apartments here on site, these doors are moving just with one finger. So you don't need now to press hard with all your weight. No, you just move them with your fingers. You just move them over there, for example. That's one of the many qualities and also difference to the existing properties here on Condado De Alhama. Well, at this stage developed by Polaris. So there is a quality jump, to say, from what was here before to what is here now. No, you do see the difference. No, hence also prices are obviously reflecting the situation. No, we have ducted air conditioning in all rooms, so no more split units, no more individual units on the roof with all what comes with it. No, it's all ducted. So exactly, that's 21st century. No, that's a real decent thermostat which can be programmed and all that. So it's a different setup. No, Apart from that, room sizes are similar, or slightly larger. Slightly larger,
yes.
no?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Especially the master, obviously, and a lot brighter with the whole
Yeah.
bathroom situation.
I would say so as well. And I really like this bathroom situation here. Yeah, I mean, well, it's just the 21st century now. I mean, having a decent shower instead of the bathtubs with the other ones. Well, it's a different setup,
Yeah,
but
also
it's
having a bit of natural or semi-natural light coming through
exactly
into the bathroom, which just gives it a totally different feel to the
Yeah.
existing penthouses,
Yeah.
where
Yeah.
you have no natural light.
Exactly, yeah.
It's just a different ballgame. Yeah.
Yeah.
Just a different category.
Yeah, no doubt about. Also, the finishing of all the fitted wardrobes and all that is totally different.
Yeah.
No,
The lighting, the downlighting here, just for the wardrobes, exactly where
Yeah.
it has to be, together with
and
the
all this
mirror,
comes included at only 149,000. So I think it's good value for money, as it's a terrace, end of terrace, well, or corner unit as well. Now we're getting also natural light into the living room, which is quite good because the normal apartments don't have these windows. Here we have we have two massive windows, which bring in light as well.
This is my personal
This is your
feature here in the kitchen.
Yeah, why?
Because here you think, what is this? We have a cabinet here that opens up. So
Yeah, I think this might be the washing machine.
Yeah,
No, dishwasher, yeah.
exactly. But what about this space? But it's not an
Ah,
empty space. It's
that's
one
true.
lost
What
space. It
what
opens
about
up.
this space?
You have a little cabinet over here. Ideal
Aye.
for whatever you need by the dining table.
Yeah. And you still can use this as a breakfast bar because you can put your feet underneath here. What on the others you can't because there's a wall here, no?
True,
There's
yes.
normally a wall here,
Yes,
and the other ones, and this one is free. So
Actually, yes.
sit down and put your feet. Yeah. So up to 4 people can have breakfast here as well.
Yeah.
No, we won't buy it ourselves. No, we won't buy it ourselves. I don't know where this alarm clock is coming from. Every day at 4:15 it comes up and I can't change it. Okay, that's another one. Well then, reference 3785 on the qualityhomes.costacalida.com webpage. I'm Rupert. I'm showing you today with Rupert's weekly property show this great 2-bedroom, 2-bathroom apartment here on the Mirador development on Condado De Alhama Golf Resort. And there are many, many news to come up, so please stay tuned. Condado might surprise you in the coming years. I think there is a new star born. No? Well, I don't want to be pathetic, but it's
Let's not
okay. Yeah,
say too
okay.
much either, and
Seeing is believing.
believing.
Okay, doke. Well then, thank you very much for joining me today, for watching my show. And I know that many people are watching my show at different times of the day. So thank you very much for that. And I'm looking forward to see you. Well, I won't see you, but you will see me again next week, Thursday, still at 4 p.m. because the light is much better than at 5 p.m. This will change again end of February, but for the meantime, we stay at 4 p.m. Just to be sure that we have enough light here to showcase our properties in the best way possible. So thanks very much for joining me today and see you again next week at Rupert's Weekly Property Show. Cheers, bye, have fun.